Like any other application, Microsoft Teams is not perfect and can occasionally fail to open your Windows computer. And if you too are having trouble accessing the Teams app on Windows, here are some possible solutions that you may need to try. Now, Microsoft Teams may fail to load on your computer if there's an issue on the server side. Hence, it is a good idea to check for Microsoft Teams service status before troubleshooting the Teams app. All you have to do is open your browser, go to this website, and check for the Microsoft Teams service status. Next, try to restart the Microsoft Teams app. Just open Task Manager, go to Processes tab, locate Microsoft Teams, right-click on it, then select End Task from the context menu. After that, try to reopen Microsoft Teams again. Another possible solution is to get rid of the Microsoft Teams cache data on Windows. To do so, open Run, type in the following, delete the files from the File Explorer, close File Explorer, then restart your PC. After that, try to open Microsoft Teams again. And lastly, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. To run it, open Settings, click System, navigate to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, then click the Run option next to Windows Store Apps. Now you have to follow the on-screen prompts to run the troubleshooter, then check if you can now open the Teams app again. And those are the possible ways on how you can fix Microsoft Teams not opening on Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.